Hi everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to make these beautiful little sachets. Like if you're having a girls' night, you can use these. Or if you're having your bridal shower, you can use these. Or even as a thank you gift at your wedding, you can use these. Or if you're having a birthday party, a glam birthday party, you can use these as a thank you gift for your guests. So if you're interested in seeing how I'm going to make these beautiful pieces, just keep watching. Okay, you guys. So I have my Totally Dazzled bling wrap. I'm going to have a link below if you're interested in purchasing the Totally Dazzled bling wrap. This wrap is pretty much almost gone, but it was a huge wrap, you guys. So basically, I'm going to take my Totally Dazzled bling wrap and lay it down, and then I take my previous one that I've already measured, and I'm going to use it as a gauge so that I can know how big I want my my sach to be. So I'm using it as a gauge, so I have an idea that I want it at least that size or maybe bigger, but I'm going to go out just a little bit more here just to make sure that I have enough of my bling wrap for my project. So I'm going to take it, let's see here. Yeah, I'm going to take it just a little bit further out. And you just cut. This is very simple. I love doing simple DIYs because I'm not as creative as I would like to be. Then you just get your glue gun and you just place your, I'm trying to position this so that you can see. And you just put your glue on the edges of your, and this glue is hot, so be careful not to burn yourself. And I'm going to use like the back of my scissors just to lay it down here. And then I'm also going to glue the other side. Just going to take my glue and just go down the other side. Okay, so once it's nice and dry, I'm going to get my pre-cut. This is some tissue paper. This is that tissue that they use for gift bags. I've already pre-cut it. You pre-cut it in flaps like this, and you be sure you cut it bigger than your actual sach that you're going to be using. And if I was to be having a wedding, of course silver is going to be in my wedding. So you put your tissue paper inside of your satchel, and what you're going to do is bunch it up like this. Bunch it up. You can put some candies in here, you guys, peppermints. You can put a little hand lotion. You know how Bath and Body Works have those little hand lotions and hand sanitizers. You can put those in here. And you just get your ribbon or whatever color ribbon you're going to be using, and you just tie it. And once you get it tied, and then you're going to have your sach. And I think these are so cute, so easy to do, and you can personalize your event using the Totally Dazzled bling wrap, you guys. So I'm just tying it here. So once you get it all tied, you can just play around with your tissue just to see how you want it styled. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's just tissue, you guys. So you can ravel it up or do whatever. But here it is here, and it came out so cute. And I'm going to show you guys how you can decorate with these at your event.